Hello, good afternoon students. Jai Sanskar. Now we reach the 16th lesson of our syllabus. Water, a precious resources. Jal hai to kal hai. If you have water, you can think of a future. Otherwise, not. You are perhaps aware of that 22nd March is celebrated as a water day. So this lesson is about the saving of water and how the water is precious. A school celebrate Water Day and invited poster from the children of your age group. Some of the posters represented on the day are shown is here in a 16.1. See, Water Day is very important and it is celebrated at school also. What is the message to get from this poster? Write your observation in your notebook and discuss them in a class. Have you ever felt the shortage of water at your home or school? Your parents or teachers must very often be advising you not to waste water. No wonder we celebrate Water Day every year to attract the attention of everybody towards the importance of the conservation of water. See, conserving water is most important. Even your parents, your teachers and your elders is telling you to save the water, because you know that without water there is no future. The amount of water recommended by the United Nations for drinking, washing, cooking, maintaining proper hygiene is maximum 15 liters per day per person. It is said that 50 liters water is required per person for a day. This amount is about the 2.5 bucket of the water per person per day. Is your family getting at least this much of water? If yes, you should consider yourself fortunate, because millions of people in our country do not get enough water. જો તમને લોકોને 2.5 bucket per person daily use માટે મળી જતી હોય, it means that you are lucky, because many part in our country doesn't get enough water. What about your friends and their families? Share your experience with them. In some places there is an acute shortage of water. You know, many places there are shortage of water. Tap running dry, long queue for water, fights water have become the common sight, especially during the summer. Summer ખાસ જોવા મળતું હોય છે કે લોકો પાણી માટે ઝઘડો પણ કરતા હોય છે. Some of the newspaper clippings shown in 16.3 clearly indicate this message that if it is not is it not true that the face acute shortage of water? શું જોઈને તમને કટિંગ્સથી લાગતું નથી કે shortage of water છે એ ક્રિએટ થઈ શકે છે? Activity 16.1. Collect the clipping from the newspaper and magazine on the news items, articles and pictures related to the water shortage. Paste them in your scrapbook and share it with your friends. List some problems faced by the people and discuss them into the class. See, you can perform an activity. What you can do, you can collect some pictures of a newspaper and things related that showing the shortage of water, and you can discuss with your friends. Water shortage has become matter in a concern throughout the world. It is estimated that in a few years from now, more than 1/3 of the people in the world could face the water scarcity. એવું જોવા મળે છે કે એસ્ટિમેટ થાય છે કે થોડા જ વર્ષોમાં 1/3 જેટલા પીપલ છે એ વોટર શોર્ટેજને ફીલ કરશે. બિફોર વી ડિસ્કસ why water is getting scarce, we must know how much of water is available to use in our planet. આપણે એના શોર્ટેજ વિશે વિચારીએ એની પહેલાં આપણે એ વિચારવું જોઈએ કે આપણા માટે કેટલું અવેલેબલ છે. સો how much water is available? Look at the picture of a earth taken from space. Why does it appear blue? Surely you can guess. You are aware of that about 70% of the earth's surface is covered with the water. અર્થના પિક્ચરને જોઈને ખબર પડી જ જતી હશે કે ડ્યુ ટુ ધ વોટર ઇટ લુક્સ બ્લુ. Almost all the water on the earth is contained in the seas and oceans, rivers, lakes and ice caps as a groundwater and in the atmosphere. So water resources क्या છે? Sea, ocean, groundwater, wells, etc. However, most of the water is not fit for the human consumption directly. છતાં બી આટલું પાણી હોવા છતાં બી you cannot use it directly. You cannot use the oceanic water. It is very saline, means salty. So the water that is fit to use is a fresh water. Perform the following activity to estimate the roughly to related amount of water of available in some of these sources. તમે એક એક્ટિવિટી પરફોર્મ કરીને વધારે આઈડિયો લઈ શકો કે ફ્રેશ વોટર છે એ કેટલું યુઝેબલ છે. મોસ્ટ ઓફ અઝ્યુમ વોટર ટુ બી લિમિટલેસ રિસોર્સિસ. આપણને તો એમ કે વોટર તો લિમિટલેસ રિસોર્સિસ, જેટલું વાપરો એટલું વાપરી શકાય. ફ્રોમ ધીસ એક્ટિવિટી You can appreciate the actual amount of water available for the human use. તમને આ એક્ટિવિટીથી ખબર પડશે કે તમે એકચ્યુઅલમાં કેટલું યુઝ કરો છો. Does the finding worry you? જો હવે તમને ચિંતા થાય છે, discuss this with your class. Before we do it, let's perform this activity. Step, figure and remarks. Take a medium size bucket and fill up with water. It contains about 20 liters of water. See, આવી એક લ્યો બકેટ લ્યો અને એમાં પાણી ભરો. Assume that this water represent all the water present on the earth. માની લ્યો કે આટલું પાણી છે એ આખા અર્થમાં છે. Now take a small container. Now assume that the fresh water on the earth. આટલું fresh water આખા અર્થમાં છે. Then take a glass and then assume that this is available from the ground. આટલું પાણી એકચ્યુઅલી આખા દુનિયામાં આટલું પાણી છે એક બકેટ જેટલું, જેમાંથી ફ્રેશ વોટર છે એ આ ટમ્બલર જેટલું છે, જેમાંથી અવેલેબલ ગ્રાઉન્ડ વોટર છે આટલું છે, અને એક સ્પૂન જેટલું વોટર પ્રેઝન્ટ ધ લેક એન્ડ અ રિવર ઇન ધ વર્લ્ડ. અને આખા લેક અને રિવરમાં આટલું જ પાણી છે. ધીસ વે યુ કેન અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ ધ અવેલેબિલિટી ઓફ વોટર. સો હિયર ધ 16.1 ઇઝ ઓવર.